Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a bit of a different video, and that is a 30-day challenge. And for the next 30 days I am going to be Gua Sha-ing. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, then this is a tool called the Gua Sha. This is made from rose quartz. You can actually get these made in jade and amethyst and loads of different stones, and I personally love crystals. I feel like they hold a very, very, very beautiful energy, especially rose quartz. Quartz is one of my favorites, but this is my Gua Sha tool right here. Now this tool has been used for thousands of years in China, and you can actually get it from loads of places on the internet. This one is from a brand called White Lotus, and it is from Cult Beauty. I will leave a link to a whole bunch of different ones that I found in the description box below, but this is the guy that I'm going to be using for the next 30 days, morning and evening. A little fun fact for you guys: Gua actually means to stroke, and the word Sha describes that temporary flush red feeling that you get once using this. The Gua Sha actually has a whole bunch of different benefits, and I'm going to read some of them off my phone. So the facial Gua Sha stimulates the dermis, which is like the top layer of your skin, to support collagen and elastin production and releases tension to relax your face muscles. It's also been shown in studies to exponentially increase the circulation and aid in lymphatic flow. It's supposed to release congestion, soothe and sore eyes and skin, to brighten your complexion and leave you with a radiant glow. It's supposed to also help reduce the appearance of fine lines. There are so many amazing benefits of using this, and I'm going to be using this morning and evening for the next 30 days. So I'm going to show you guys in real time the different motions that I'm going to do, and I'm basically going to do them for the next month and see the results. I'm very, very excited about this. I generally use my Ranavat Kanza wand, which is an even older tool than the Gua Sha. I might actually do a Kanza wand one in the future. Let me know if you guys want to see that one as well. But I thought I would start off with the good old Gua Sha. So if you want to see the facial techniques that I'm going to use for the next 30 days, then please keep watching. So my skin is all cleansed and toned and all of that, but I am going to apply 2 products every single day. I'm going to keep it as consistent as possible. So the first product that I'm going to use is this Ranavat Hydrating Jasmine Mist. So I'm going to spray this all over my face, and this will help with the extra hydration. And before using this, you need to make sure that you've got some sort of slip on your face and not using it completely dry, because it is just going to pull and tug at your skin. So to make sure I've got that really nice glide and slip from the Gua Sha, I'm going to be using a oil/serum that I use every single day anyways, so that's not going to really affect the radiance of my skin, because I feel like this gives it to me already. I just want to see if it tightens and makes my face a bit more, if you know what I mean. So the serum I'm going to be using is the Radiant Rani from Ranavat, and this is a brand new one because I think I finished my 4th bottle the other day. So I'm cracking open a new one. I'm going to take roughly 3 to 4 drops, maybe a little bit more. I'm going to get this rubbed into my hands, and I'm going to get this all over, and I'm not going to forget the neck as well. So those 2 steps I'm literally going to be doing every single day. And just for reference, I'm going to show you guys my face in different angles so that we can compare after 30 days if it's made a difference. I'm also going to be wearing my hair tied up in a ponytail like this at the end of the video, just to make sure that that's not affecting the way that my face is looking. So now I'm just going to go over all the techniques that I'm going to be using every single day. So I'm going to start off with my neck and work my way up one side and then the other side as well, like that. And every single motion that I'm going to do, I'm going to repeat 5 times. So the first one I'm going to do is this one right here. So I'm going to take this portion right here and work that on my neck first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to take this kind of heart shape right here, and I'm going to go up. 5. So that's my neck done, and now I'm going to move on to my face. Moving on to my face, I'm going to focus on this kind of heart shape right here, and I'm going to do that 5 times in different parts of my face. So I'm going to start off here first. And then I'm going to start off from the corner of my mouth and go up like that. And then from the tip of my nose up in that direction. and then very, very gently underneath my eye as well. Next up, I'm going to work on the brows. So I'm going to just follow this like that. Now I'm going to work on my forehead, and I'm going to start off with the tail end of my brow area and push that up. And then towards the arch. And then towards the front of my brow. So that's half of my face done using the heart end shape, and you can see it's kind of gone a little bit red, and that's just got like the blood flowing on my face. But now I'm going to take the slightly curved end, and I'm going to do very, very similar motions on all those areas that I've already gone through on my face. So I'm going to start off on my chin, and now on the side of my face like this. And then on the outer part of my brow. And then just on the corner. And then the top part. And there we have already, I feel like this side of my face looks slightly higher than this side of my face. But that is one side all done. I definitely feel like that this side of my face is a bit hotter than this side, and it's a little bit more flushed as well. I'm going to make sure I do the exact same thing on the other side of my face, working from the bottom to the top and making sure I'm using the exact same motions, the exact same parts of the gua sha to do them, just so that it's a really even and fair test. One more last thing that I'm going to do before I finish my gua sha routine is I'm going to go up the center of my forehead. So I'm going to take the heart side, and I'm just going to push that up very gently. I literally feel so relaxed right now. But that is my gua sha routine that I'm going to do for the next 30 days. Well, 29 days, 29 and a half. I've done this in the morning today, so I'm going to do the same thing this evening. And I'm basically going to show you guys all the little clips of me doing my gua sha for the next 30 days. I'm so excited to see the results of this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the next of the montage footage, and I will see you after a month and we can see what kind of changes that I've had to my face using the gua sha. "30 days of gua shaing is officially over, and I'm going to include some before and after pictures right here. I'm going to get straight into it. I've genuinely love doing this. I feel like it's very, very therapeutic when I've done my gua sha in the morning and evenings. The biggest difference that I have noticed is my jawline. It's so much more defined than what it was before. Will I continue doing this? I'll probably continue doing this, but maybe just once a day. I feel like I've just got so used to doing it that I kind of miss the days that I haven't done it. One more thing I would say is that day 2 or 3, my face really like hurted when I was doing the gua sha, and I genuinely feel that's because my muscles were getting worked out in my face. But overall, I feel like the skin on my face is so much more tighter, and I'm loving the kind of like extra like slight definition that I've had in my face. I've really enjoyed the results of it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the little bits of definition. Like I've got a little bit more definition here on my cheekbones, and the biggest is obviously the jawline, which I'm like, it's so much more defined than it was before. So yeah, that is my final thoughts on gua sha for 30 full days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to do, like trying out products for a really, really long period of time. I'd love to know your thoughts. But yeah, that's everything from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending all of the love. Sitting here editing, and I've realized the end of this clip has just disappeared into thin air, but I'm sending all of the love and light from my heart to you guys, and I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye.